Hi, everyone. My name is Sean. Live trade show from Japan. Okay, I hope everyone is doing well. Let me adjust my voice here. Sorry. Okay. So, how are you all doing? I hope that you enjoyed my yesterday's live trade show with Alan. He joined my live trade show yesterday, and he was winning, but yesterday, unfortunately, he did not do too well. He praised me for giving him too much pressure. So hopefully, I can do well today. He's sitting right next to me and just watching me, but I hope he'll come back maybe next Monday in a better conditions. Okay. Okay, I'd like to share some pictures today, as usual. And this one is on Facebook already, but I find it very interesting, so let me share this with you. This one, okay. There's just a door in a backyard of a place. This place is near our London office, and then very close to a pub that I used to go to in London. I find it very interesting because there's just a door, and then you can open it and close. Very interesting, yeah. There's some thing like this in London. If you go, if you walk around, there's a, I don't know what is called in English, but something like this, bizarre or like interesting, not the monument, but a thing around in London. So if you walk around, you see some of those in London. And then we found one near our office, so very interesting. Sunny day, nice. Okay, and then apart from this, I've been sharing a thing very unique about Japan, compared to other companies. Other countries. Yeah. When I say unique, I think I'm talking about something unique maybe in Asia. Of course, among Asian countries, there are things different, but especially between Europe and Japan, because I was in London for 5 years, so I noticed things are very different. And then one of the things today is that here. Okay, so hold on, yeah. Let me refresh my Facebook. Before I talk about something different. Okay, Mr. Leshan Ryan, thank you always, yeah, giving us likes. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this picture. Bicycles. I like to ride bicycles, and then in London you can rent a bicycle, like bicycles parked in streets in London, and then you can use your credit card or like a debit card. Then you can rent a bike, and then once you ride a bike, and then once you got to the destination, and then if you are lucky enough to find the like a rental place for bicycles, then you can park there. If not, or if full, then you need to find some other places. But in London, I see that the people ride a bike with a helmet and really nice bikes, like those. I see a lot of them in London. So I think this is one of the common things in London if you ride a bike. So what about in Japan? I got this from the internet because this one. See the difference? You want to see the difference? See that? So in London, it's prohibited to ride a bike in how do you say, the pavement, like a walking street. But in Japan, you can do it like this. So maybe from the European perspective, it's very dangerous. Without helmet, lots of things, lots of maybe shopping errands, things in a basket, and then ride a bike, and then really close, yeah. And then there's some people walking just right next to them. Very interesting. So I find it very different between London and Japan, how people ride a bike. And for me, I prefer the Japanese style maybe because it's more free. Because in London, because it's like driving a car, you need to follow the rules. But in Japan, of course, there's some rule, but people don't follow the rule. So it's very different. Okay, let me minimize this. And then I have some more about the bike. Okay. I'm not sure this is really a normal scene where just bicycles are parked. But maybe if you're from Europe, you might find it very different. Because when I was in London, people steal the bicycles, so bicycles are chained to like a pole or something. But in Japan, it's not like that. You just maybe lock the bicycles, but you just leave it there. And then it's rare that people steal bikes. Yeah. So I find this bicycles parked in the street very unique. I'm not sure about your country, but that's how I feel about the difference between Japan and London. Yeah, bicycles everywhere. Okay, but I'm going to continue to talk about unique things about Japan, things that I notice about the difference. But if you have anything that different in your country, if you can share that with me, then that would be really appreciated. Okay, now let's move on to trading. Okay, today I am going to, of course, I'm going to try to win because Aren didn't do well yesterday. So I'm going. I need to win today. But as usual, I'm going to do the 303 strategy and martingale and then signal. Okay. Before I talk about the 303 strategy, I just want to share one question that we have received from a customer. Okay. Before that, let me refresh my Facebook. Okay. Now, okay, there's one customer. I watched a video about 303 strategy and it looks very interesting, but I have used it before and I didn't do too well. And this customer is saying that this 303 strategy is not a 100% strategy for win. And thank you very much for your feedback. And keep this in mind, then I'm going to explain 303 strategy, signal, and martingale. So I hope you understand my points better as I explain these strategies. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about 303 strategy first. Okay. I've been talking about two important things that you need to keep in mind when you trade binary options. Okay, because without these points, then you do not do well in trading. Okay, so the first one is that you need to know the market trend. Okay, if there's a trend, right, up or down, then you just need to go on the trend. You just need to follow the trend, either up or down. So it's easier for you, yeah, because you know that the market is going up or going down. So that becomes easy. Okay. And then the second point is that, okay, the market trend is up or down. So on that trend, you want to understand when to make a purchase and when not to make a purchase. Okay. These are really simple, and then maybe everybody get to understand this easy, because this is really basic. Okay, but without this, then you do not do well in binary options. Okay, so 303 strategy, right? 303 strategy cover these 2 points, knowing the market trend, and then when to make a purchase and when not to make a purchase. So here is how you do it. Yeah. Okay. Let's talk about this. But let me open this one. Okay. I have this one open, and let me share this. Yeah. Okay. Now 303 strategy. Okay. So I'm going to choose the yen and 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. So first of all, knowing the market trend. Okay. So knowing the market trend, let me share this one. Okay. So first of all, you want to keep this in mind, that market moving zigzag. Okay. Maybe you're not watching this one, right? Okay, maybe like this one. Okay. Okay. Now this one going zigzag, 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 zigzag. But then overall, the market price is moving upward. On the other hand, this one is also moving zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. But this one is moving downward. Okay. So when the market price is moving upward in zigzag, you connect the bottoms of the market prices, and that's how you can draw a trend line like this, right? Okay. And then this one moving downward, zigzag, 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 but you connect the tops of the market price, then you can draw a trend line. Okay. So if the trend line is moving upward, then you can say, okay, this is uptrend. Okay. And then if the market price is going down, if the trend line is going downward, then you can say, oh, this is downtrend, right? Okay. Now let's look at this chart. Can you see? Can you see? Okay. Because my face is like this, right? So sometimes you cannot see the point, important point. Okay. So now this one. Okay, here you can say that the market price is moving upward, and then if you draw the bottoms, if you connect the bottoms of the market prices, okay, you can say that oh, there's uptrend, right? Okay, so when there's a uptrend, when you want to make a purchase, this one, only when the market price is near or at the trend line. So you want to wait until the market price come back a little bit closer to the trend line, and you only make purchase here high. Then you see that the market trend is up, so market is keep on going up. Okay, right. This is a 303 strategy. Okay, so when you look at the 30-minute chart to see the market trend and when to make a purchase and when not to make a purchase, and then you trade on 3 minutes. So let me add another one, dollar yen and 3 minutes. Okay, right. So now see that I draw the trend line here, and then trend line, can you see? If let's say that I'm drawing the trend line here, the market price is far from the trend line, right, at the moment. So at this point, you do not want to make a purchase. Let me share one picture with you. This one, can you see? This one. Okay, market is moving upward, but the market price is far from the trend line, right? Okay, so at this point, you do not want to make a purchase because market price may even go higher or come back to the trend line. So at this point, you just wait until you find out what's happening. Okay, so you just want to wait, just let it go. Yeah. Okay. Right. That's a 303 strategy. So again, 303 strategy helps you to understand the market trend and then purchase point and then not to purchase point. Okay, right. So you have your own strategy, 303 strategy. Okay, so 303 strategy. Okay, now coming back to this question. This customer is telling me that the 303 strategy is not a 100% strategy for win. And then, yes, this might not be the answer that you want to hear, but I can guarantee that there's no 100% strategy anywhere. So that's the truth. Even the professional trader trading years, of course sometimes they lose. But the thing is that they know how to manage their funds. Like they are really good at the risk management as well. So and then they are well aware of when to purchase and when not to purchase. So they don't waste money by just buying. Yeah. Okay. For example, like this one. Now I'm drawing the trend line here, and then market price is breaking through the trend line, right? So let me share another picture with you. This one. Okay, can you see? Okay, now this case, market price is moving up, right? The trend line is up, but the market price is breaking through the trend line. At this point, I do not make a purchase. The reason why is that when the market price breaks through the trend line, there is a tendency that market market will change the direction. So this is going up, and this now is going down. So maybe you want to purchase low here, but my case I do not, because I'm not 100% sure when it this happen. This might go down, or this might form a flat movement like this. So now I'm telling you that this is the point that you do not want to make a purchase. Okay. So 303 strategy is it's simple, but it's kind of deep, and there's some things that you want to understand. Yeah. Because there's only one point for purchase point when the market price reaches the trend line, but there's also a point that you do not want to make a purchase. So okay. So now let's talk about signal. So signal, basically, I use signal to support my 303 strategy. I make my strategy based on 303, but then when the signal gives me the same sign as 303 strategy, I just take an action, or not to take an action at all. Okay. For example, this one. See that? Now, sorry, let me go back to 303. See this? This is breaking through, but now market is moving flat, right? So that's why I don't make a purchase. Okay. Okay. So now let's look at the signal. Let me refresh my Facebook first. So signal. Okay, signal is basically signal. Okay, so just it's very simple. Okay, when it says strong sell, it's just telling you that the sentiment, it's just giving you the sentiment. So sentiment of the market movement. So when it says strong sell, then market wants to move down. When it says strong buy, then market wants to move up. When it says neutral, market is wishy-washy. Market doesn't know where to go. So I only take an action when the signal gives me strong sell or strong buy. So strong sell, I purchase low, and strong buy, I purchase high. Okay, and time frame, I stick to 1 minute because I'm trading three. Oh, this one is giving me 3 minutes option. Okay, so 1 minute is I think the best time frame for 3 minute option. Okay, and then if I have a chance, then I do the martingale. Okay, all right. What time is it now? 20 minutes already. Maybe I did too much explanation. Okay, now let's look at this one here, the trend line. So it's going up. So when the market price comes back a little bit lower, then I purchase high. There I am, right? Okay, so I have high ready. Then I go $100. This is not my account today. It's a live account, but it's not my account, so I go that. And Darayan showing strong buy, but now it's going up higher. So I want to wait a bit lower. I could have bought the purchase high here. So let's wait. And then if you press on F5 on your keyboard, then you can refresh your signal. See? Okay, I'll wait for the next option. Maybe I change the euro dollar 30 minutes. Okay, now this is clear low trend. Okay, so I change the euro dollar 3 minutes, and then when it gives me strong sell, then I purchase low. Okay, giving me strong sell. So let's just say $100, 100 pounds. Okay. Oh, I didn't click on low. I okay, wait. Okay. Nice. So see what happens. Okay. Okay, like this one. So see that the trend line here, and market price is come back a little bit higher. Then I purchase low. Okay. So we'll see. It's going even higher. Oh, it's even going higher. Let's see. Lost. Anyway, it's okay. It's not my account anyway. So I'll do it another one. Let me talk about martingale. Maybe it's not the good. Let me Darien is better. It's not. It's not. Okay. Maybe I use my picture to talk about martingale. Okay. Let's just say. Can you see? Can you see everybody? Okay. Okay. Let's say a 30 minutes option. You are looking at the uptrend like this. Okay. But here, you know the market. There's market trend upward, but market moves in zigzag, right? Like this: up, down, up, down, up, down. So within 3 minutes, okay. Say you at this point you purchase high $100. But sometimes like this happened on my last trade, the market can go against you, yeah. But when there's a market trend upward, then you can expect that within 3 minutes the market moves like this. Okay, let's say there's one that started here lower, then come back higher, but here lower than this point, the started point. Okay, so what happens? Yeah, so this point you purchase high 100, yeah. Okay, and then at this point you purchase 300. So you have two trades within 3 minutes. So what happens? So let's say payout ratio is 80%. So even if your first trade lose, then your second trade wins, then you end up in profits. So here's the logic. So first trade $100. Your let's say you lose this trade, so your loss is 100, right? But then your second trade, because now this one ends up higher than this point, so second trade you win. So your profit is 80% of 300. So that's 240. Okay. So you have 100 loss, but you have 240 profit. So your end up profit is 140. Okay. That's the martingale strategy. But martingale strategy, you just want to make sure this when you're confident of the market trend, either up or down. So this one, you are confident that the market trend is up, so you can purchase. You can add your purchases like 1, 2, or even 3. And when you add up your trades, I do like 1, 3, 9, and 27. So triple the previous trade amount. That way, you do not have to always calculate in your head. Yeah. But if you do that, then if your last trade win, then you end up in profits. So, okay, let's trade another one. See that? It's moving. It was moving down, but then it's going up. And euro dollar giving me strong sell. So when I do the so now this one is like this. So $10 low. So if the market price goes even higher and higher, then I make another low. So I hopefully I can make the good martingale martingale. Okay, purchase low here. Okay, I got the $10 here first, and then 30 here. So if the market price comes back like this, higher than this one, but then lower than that, then I end up in profit. So hopefully I can show you by winning like that. Let's see how it goes. So 1 minute left. Sometimes it's hard to show you martingale because see that if this one comes back even lower than that point, then well, it is a good win, but I cannot share the logic of martingale. So and then hopefully stay like this. It will come down. It will come down. That is showing euro dollar. Yeah, euro dollar strong sell. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Not doing too well today. Well, sometimes happen. So maybe I can do better on the next live trade show. Maybe I need Stephanie to trade with me. Anyway, thank you very much for watching me on the live trade show. And then I'll see you tomorrow. I come back better tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye-bye.